Whoa. Whoa.
Was that lightning?
I think that was.
I think there was no lightning.
That's the first time.
So I'd say we've been standing here for a inch. Brought out the Enforcer 110s today. Show you how much snow there is. We're at the top of North Peak. We're gonna take Quantum back down, go back up, ski this, and then get over to Jordan Bowl. It's a good 8 inches up here.
I know. I'm trying to like pull my way through to just all the way down. Look at that. We should have put powder baskets on today.
Well, that might be 10 inches. Ready? Or do you want to go first?
I don't know. You go first.
I go first. Whew. She's down. It's heavy. You gotta kind of lean way back. Try to keep your feet even.
What do you mean? That's all 3 times already.
I know. Alright, I suggest we bomb the rest of this so we can get across that flat. Oh, very soft. Well, it's quite firm, but it's the deepest snow I've skied in all year. Oh, there's a cat track. Yep. What's that?
You guys come down from?
The other lift right over there.
Okay. So
White?
we just haven't gotten the call to open yet. So
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
So it's not the whole
All right. So apparently we jumped the gondola.
Yeah, 15
Or gondola
minutes
before
early.
anyway. Yeah, 15 minutes before it was actually open. It wasn't our fault. The lady said, oh, right there's the gondola, and we just hopped on it. As you can see, there's not a single track on this. It's all ours to make big snow angels in everywhere where we fall.
I've already made 2, so. It's like 10 inches up here.
Oh yeah.
And it's not too wet, actually.
Looks like it changes over a bit more right up there too. All right, ready?
I've tried to tell you this 100 times. Not getting better by lying there pretending to cry. You on repeat, you can sleep cause you have closed your eyes. You say you listen, but you're missing what it's all about. Rise up now. If you never fall, you don't change at all.
That was a face plant.
Oh, why is it so hard?
You got a lot of snow in your Put your face up.
You're growing old, your life keep passing by. Rise up now. If you never fall, you don't change at all. Cry out now. Have you given up? I will never stop, yeah.
Oh, that just makes you laugh.
Now if you break it, I can take it, I don't need a prize. Leave out the fact that I am up against 1,000 guys. My intuition efficient, cause I can use my mind. Don't try to tell me how it's done, you haven't done your time. If you never fall, you don't change at all. Cry out now. Have you given up? I will never stop, yeah.
My legs are really tired.
Yeah, I want to get down and dry out my goggles. Yeah.
Whoa.
Was that lightning?
I think that was.
I think there was no lightning.
That's the first time. I learned what thunder is. It's when two ice blocks hit together and rub. Yeah, that's what Miss Costello said.
What?
Yeah. She said that the lightning comes from when the ice blocks create enough friction to create electricity.
Oh, millions of little ones.
Yeah. Not like huge ice blocks.
Gonna have to have words with Miss Kostolnik.
That was really cool.
Yeah.
Also kind of scary on the top of the mountain.
My goggles are straight up fogging up.
Okay, I'm going.
Ooh, deep. Ooh, tree limbs. Oh. Going that way, I think.
Oh, it's hard.
It's a lot of work today.
Lean back.
Oh yeah. Ooh, choppy. Move. Move. Move.
She does the.
We're on a 20-minute hold. All the lifts were caught in Quantum Leap Triple trying to get back to the South Ridge. So 20 minutes from now for the lightning to pass. We'll see what happens. So I'd say we've been standing here for an inch. finally released the lifts after the lightning strike. We've been just hanging out in the lodge for the last 30 minutes, trying to dry out because we're standing out there in really wet snow for over an hour.
And I go on forever. Something to remember. Come along, come along, come along, come away. I go on forever. No more of hiding. And I go.
You made it. To get my ski around. Not used to the length on them.
Yeah. I'm proud of myself. I'm doing it.
You're doing it.
I mean, not very fast or elegantly, but... But yeah, this is still fun. My eyes are in a greenhouse.
Heading up Aurora Lift, back up to the top.
Well, do you want to just go to Jordan?
That's what I was going to say. Let's go to that lift right there. We had a lot of fun, and we'll catch you in the next one. See you later, guys. Take it easy.